So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to see a problem in which we have to remove the duplicates. So this problem is somewhat different from the problem which we have faced earlier. So try to see this problem. So if we talk about the array, we have some values. That is, one is repeating three times. Then we have two times. So what we have to do, we have to print the output as 4 because our current array is 1 is coming two times and 2 is coming two times. So what we have to do basically, we have to remove the elements which are occurring more than twice. If they are, in the bracket of uh, frequency of 2, then we can keep them. So this is the question. Also, we have a given a condition that we can assume that array is sorted. So, and also we need to do the in place positioning of array. So let's try to solve this problem. First of all, I will try to create a main method and then we will try to, uh, dry run this program. Dry run this program for better understanding. So let's suppose for now, if we look at the array, let me create the array first. For now, if you see this array, we can assume that let's not talk about the appearances. Just let's talk about how many, uh, what is the minimum length we can say. So minimum length we can say that it will follow 2 because if you let's say we have some value 1 1, okay, and then we have some values 1 2, then 2 2. So for all these the size would be 2. So this is our basic understanding of the you know program for writing the program. And what we will do, we will try to create a for loop, and from the second index, that is 1 0 1 2. So we will try to run a loop. So if you want to find whether a number is repeating more than twice, so what you will check, you will be, first of all, if number is repeating, we will check whether the previous number is same or not. But if you want to check whether it is repeating more than twice, so you will be checking the second number, which is behind to this number. So we are checking this with this. If it is not equal, then we can increment our index. But if it's not equal, then we can skip it. So the size will be, so the size can reduce. So let's suppose I will be checking a condition here. If ARR of I is not equal to ARR of index minus 2. So this will be the basic condition, and we will check that if this is not equal, then we can go inside the if loop and we can say, that ARR of I is equal to ARR of index, and we can say index plus plus. First of all, let me try to print the array, whether it is working or not. Sorry, so I have done a mistake. I will have to, I am making a new inside the original one. I am taking a new index, so that's why it will be like this. So if you see, we have printed the array, and our current array is 1 1 2 2. So if you let me try to, let's try to try run this program. So let's say we are starting from here on the index 2. So what will happen? We will see whether our current character, that is 1, is not equal to AR of I. Yeah, it is not equal. So what we will do is it in this case it will be equal for 1 1. So it will not go inside the loop, and the index will remain 2 only. Okay, and then our character will go from this, and it will check the condition whether this is, this is equal or not. this one. So it is not equal. So what we can do at index 2, sorry, at index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, we can say that we can put the error of I. So we will be putting 3 here in the index, because earlier in the first iteration index was not updated. So that's why index in this position 2 will come. So your current array will be like this: 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 for this iteration, for the second iteration. So yeah, so for all the other iteration, this will, bound to happen, and then we can conclude that the size of, so we can conclude with the size of the array. We can say that the new size will be your index. So make sure that you are, iterating your loop till index. Let me write code. Okay, I was outside this. Yes, out. New length. Okay. So new length is 4. Earlier the length was of the array is 5. So this was the question, and I think everyone should do it if you are preparing for SDET interviews. Thank you guys.